Parang walang nangyari. How will I put this? Ang labnaw. Okay. Ala. Ginulo niya yung... What's up, divas? This is Drag Race Philippines Season 1 and this is Eva La Queen. What's up, divas? This is Eva La Queen of Drag Race Philippines and RuPaul's Drag Race Global All-Stars, and welcome to another episode of Mag! Namiss niyo ba ako? Namiss ko to. I know, the ELQ channel has been very busy with evangelism lately, and I realized that, you know what? Let's go back to one of my favorite things about drag, which is makeup. So first, I would like to thank all of you for your continued support to the ELQ channel. Lumalaki na ang ating pamilya, dumadami na ang ating followers. Now, for today's episode, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do a product review. So recently, in my previous episodes, I did a run at the drugstore. I did a drugstore makeup. Marami mga brands doon. Recently, when I went to Watson's, there was this new brand that I discovered. I think bago siya eh. And it's called Absidy. And I've met some of their peeps at the Allure launch. And they said, you know what, Eva, papadalan ka namin ng PR. It's like, go, let's do it. Akala ko naman, maliit na bagay lang yung ipapadala sa like lip tint lang or anything. And girl, they sent me the entire set. I've got like 10 foundations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 foundations. They gave me all their sets, blushers, powders, pati brushes, girl. I love it. I love it. I love it. So for today's video, tignan natin, maganda ba tong Absidy? So again, guys, just a disclaimer, don't worry, this is not a paid video. Appreciate the Absidy team for sending me all these goodies. Now, what we want to do is tignan natin kung bagay ba siyang pang-draga. Maganda ba siya sa mukha ng draga? Let's give them an honest review. Like, when I mean honest, well, I'll be honest. But, tingnan natin kung maganda ba tong Absidy, maganda ba siyang gamitin, o magwawala na naman, magdadabog na naman tayo ngayong araw. So, let's do it. Let's start. There! Nagkilay na ako, guys. Also primed my skin. Mag-ahit na rin ako at sinuot ko ang aking baby girl na my Disney Princess headband. Nagkilay na ako, guys, kasi wala naman silang pinadala na pangkilay na magagamit ko. Although they did send me this laminating brow gel and these brow pencils. But you know, as drag queens, we don't use brow pencils. So maybe I'll use this when I am out of drag. Oh my God, nadami ko na naman mga bagong brushes. Pero okay lang yan, para mapalitan ko ng mga brush kong galing China. Ito, recently, this has been like a trend. Ngayon ko lang siya ini-incorporate sa drag ko. Paglalagay ng illuminator sa ilalim. Now, they have these products called the Beauty Base Ambient Filter Complexion Enhancer. Illuminator sila. Diba yun yung tawag doon? So parang feeling ko sa sobrang dami ng mga illuminator dito, yung iba dito gagawin ko ng body oil. For drag makeup, I think for the base, maganda siya kasi it gives you that glass skin finish. So lalo na sa mga katulad ko na gumagamit ng yung mga Kryolan paint stick. So minsan sobrang matte niyang tignan. Tapos pag nilagyan mo naman siya ng highlighter na powder, ang cakey niyang tignan. So ang ganda niya kasi parang pinanganak na may magandang balat. So this is in the shade Astra. Parang light siya. Yun na natin. Ganda ng packaging, in fairness, very simple, very sleek. Di ganyaan siya, oh. Ano pang ibang shade meron sila? Champagne. Ito pala, meron silang meron palang brochure na binigay sa akin. Sila yung model, oh. So parang feeling ko, kukunin ko yung Celeste. Celeste! Gamitin natin tong round brush nila. Shucks. Ano na naman kayang edit ang gagawin ng editor ko dito? Ay, ang liit ng round blending brush. Parang kailangan ko mas malaki. Hindi ako maganda o gaga kasi ang daming pagpipilian. Ito parang maganda to. Pero nakita ko, pwede mo rin siyang, kasi meron siyang niacinamide, CoQ10, and green tea extract. Okay. Ayan, shiny na siya. Parang walang nangyari. Yun talaga yung effect niya. Meron siyang parang glass skin finish. Pero maganda to sa for boy makeup. Lovely. Meron silang pinadala na mga color corrector. Lovely. Ito yung mga color correctors nila. $395. Lovely. So, alam nyo ba ang rule ng color correction? Hindi po, ate! Okay. So, for any darkness, you use an orange color corrector. For redness, you use a green one. And then, itong mga ibang colors, I don't know what this is for. Tignan natin. Is this orange? Peach. Dapat medyo peachy. Peachy, yes. Ay! Ang bongga, merong So, paano ito ginagamit? Paano, darling? So may ganyan siya. Tapos meron siyang sariling, yung tip niya, meron ng sponge. So pwede mong gamitin yung sponge din para mag-blend. Tama. Kaso sa dami ng sumpa ko, parang matagal tayong matatapos nito, te. Ay, in fairness. Okay. So, matatarget niya talaga kasi ano lang naman siya. Lalo na kung mga pimple lang yung i-correct mo, ganyan. Meron na siyang kasamang sponge. Tignan mo naman kung gaano kadami yung kailangan ko i-correct. Parang 1/4 ng mukha ko kino-correct. Lagay tayo sa ilalim ng eyes kasi galing tayo sa puyatan. In fairness, maganda. Normally kasi yung ginagamit kong color corrector, yung kimchi concealer. Minsan, ang iso ko sa kanya, masyado siyang orange. Ito, parang may peachy undertone siya pero hindi masyado nalalayo sa skin tone. So, parang pag binlend mo siya, alam mo, mayroon siyang orange tinge and it will fight the moonlight. Ifa-fight niya yung darkness. Gorgeous. This is a good color corrector. So, pag bet ko, ilalagay ko na siya dito sa aking drag makeup kit. Wala naman akong redness sa mukha. Yung redness ko nasa ibang parte ng katawan. Okay, let's start with the foundations. Nakakaloka yung foundation kasi ang dami nilang sinend na foundation. Anong gagawin ko dito? Normally, like I said, I use cream for my drag makeup. Pero tignan natin kung okay ba yung coverage. Baka pwede namang gamitin for drag makeup. Ito, Weightless Touch Foundation. Ang dami. 12 shades to choose from. Pinakamaputi yung 0N, naka-dark yung 4W. So ako, ang ginagawa ko, I do layers. Mahirap kasi mag-layers kapag patsi-patsi yung skin mo. So what I do is I cover my entire face muna with one shade na malapit sa natural skin tone ko. And here I see, let's try 2NW. So ito muna yung gamitin natin pang base ng face ko.
So sabi, it's a weightless, oil-free liquid foundation that blends seamlessly on the skin into a true shade soft matte finish with
a buildable to medium coverage. Oy, ang ganda! Ang social nung pump. Alam mo, in fairness ha, yung ibang, di ko na lang ininame baka hindi sila magpadala sa akin ng products. Isang magandang makeup brand, no? Kaso hiwalay nilang binibenta yung pump. Tapos yung pump mismo, 700. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung sino. Pero sabi nila, magpapadala din daw sila sa akin. So, I'm waiting. Ay! Oh my God. It's so liquid though. Basang-basa, girl ah. Parang... Okay. So, sinabi naman nila na light to medium coverage. So, I think magagamit ko to on a normal day. How will I put this? Ang labnaw. Malabnaw siya. Parang almost makapal lang siya ng onte na moisturizer. Parang maputi yung ano nila. Neutral warm. Try nga natin ng darker. 2.5. Ang yabang ko no? Forget ang dami kong choices. Shake, shake, shake. Shake natin. Kasi apparently, napaka-liquid niya, girls. Okay. Parang okay naman siya. Ayan lang siya talaga ang liquid. Pero ang maganda sa kanya is it's very light. Mix natin sila. Actually, ito yung tinuturo sa amin sa bridal. Yung magtitimpla ka ng foundation. So, sabi ng teacher ko dati, wala talagang isang product na binuo na perfectly, syempre, lahat ng tao, iba-iba yung skin. Titimplahin mo talaga yung colors. Ang labnaw niya, girls. Kinakapalan ko lang siya kasi we're trying to do drag makeup. Blend natin siya ng beauty blender to set it in place. Wala bang beauty blender si Absidy? Sana mayroon din sila. So, for their foundation line, I love how light it is. I love the packaging. I love the pump. Coverage-wise, di masyado. Dahil nga medium coverage siya, pakapalin natin yung coverage where we needed it to be. So, let's do our liquid face. Our face with the liquid foundation using their lightest and their darkest shade. Pinaka-light nila is 0N. 0N. At ang darkest nila is 3W. So, let's start first with our highlights. Shake, shake, shake. Subukan natin gamitin itong pinaka-light nilang foundation as highlights. Ang dami nilang brush, tas ang gaganda, tas parang ayokong gamitin. Saan gawa tong mga brush nila? Vegan-free, cruelty-free. Shake, shake, shake. Kakapalin natin yung coverage, ha? Oh, grabe. Sobrang liquid, eh. Shake, shake, shake. Wala akong masabi kundi sobrang liquid niya. Parang nababasa lang yung mukha. Pero yun nga kasi, ang kulit ko naman, sinabi ng ano lang to, eh. Alam niyo, isaset ko na lang to ng sponge. Ayan. Diba? Ganda. So, I think after several layers, ma-achieve mo rin yung full coverage niya. Try naman natin yung darker shade nila. I think I'm gonna use sponge for this one. Ay, nasira ko na naman yung box. Gusto niyo ba yung t-shirt ko? Ganda, no? Siyempre, galing tong Lady Gaga. Shoutout pala kay Lady Gaga. Ang galing mo, girl. Iyak nga ako ng iyak, eh. Tapos katabi ko si Bench. Tapos ang gulo-gulo ni Bench. Kung manonood kayo ng concert, huwag kayong tatabi kay Bench. Kasi sobrang... Lalo na pag Lady Gaga. Kasi parang alam niya lahat. Parang may concert din sa tabi mo. Ayan. So, nakikita ko naman yung dimension. Actually, ang ganda nitong 3W. Actually, yung 3W, parang yun yung shade ko. Lovely. Dito muna itong mga foundation. At ito na. Dito ako magkakaroon ng expectation. Doon sa kanilang concealer. Lovely. So, they have a weightless touch ko. Weightless Touch Concealer, which is at $395, also comes in 12 colors. Pag drag makeup, syempre ang gusto natin talagang kitang-kita siya, no? I'm gonna go with their darkest and their lightest shade. 0N and 3W. Doon natin makikita kung talagang are they that girl. Kasi concealer, from the name itself, it needs to be able to conceal. They need to conceal, don't feel. Oh, so kapareho din ng color corrector yung atake nila. Meron din silang parang sponge na ganitik. Perfect. Pero ayoko gamitin yan. Okay. Blend it with the brush. Okay. Pero I think this brush is a bad idea. Try natin siya using a sponge. Creamy siya eh, which I like. Okay. Sa bagay, oo nga naman. That's why it came with a sponge. Oh my God, it's good. Oh yes. The coverage, yes. You see it? Ngayon, tignan natin dito sa balbas area kung talaga nakaka-conceal siya. Girl, yes. Gagi, ang ganda. In fairness, tignan natin dito sa baba kung mako-conceal, don't feel niya yung ano ko. Girl, yes. Bongga. Ito ang totoong challenge dyan. Bilang drag queen, itong concealer mo ba kayang mag-conceal ng kilay? Kuha tayo ng anong pang kilay. Parang kaya niya. Fairness. Oh, boogs. Careful lang sa paggamit sa kanya, especially if you use Elmer's glue. Kasi diba liquid siya. Diba yung kilay mo, pag ang pinang-block mo, Elmer's glue, natutuyo siya. So it comes into contact with something liquid. Medyo lumalaban yung kilay ko bigla. Pero concealer, yes. Sabog. Opak. Diba? Oh. Fairness. Gagged. Papatayin natin sa kabila. 400 pesos for the coverage. Not bad. Kaya na kaya ito matatapos. I'd like to take this opportunity to greet everyone. Happy Pride, mga bakla! Happy Pride! Grabe, ang sarap maging bakla, no? Ano ko ba sinabi yan? Parang isang araw ata. Parang mayroon ako sinasabihin na parang, oh my God, ang sarap maging bakla. Oo, nandun ako sa party ni Marina Summer sa Umanota. Tapos parang party-party kami. Kakatapos na ng roast noon. Parang may mga kausap. Si Matilda ata yung kausap ko. God, ang sarap maging bakla. I mean, like, of course, marami pa rin tayong mga karapatan na gusto ko ipaglaban. Pero malayo siya, pero malayo na rin. Nakapag makeup na tayo ng ganun. Love it. Love this concealer. So dito na siya, didiretso na siya sa aking makeup pinemper. Now, i-try naman natin gamitin yung darkest shade nila. Baka pwede siyang pang contour. 3W, it's too light. Pero wag natin siyang i-judge. Sanay kasi ako makita na contour na talagang kulay, as in Erna brown na. Let's see. Okay. Sponge tayo. Ano nga siya talaga? Pang-conceal nga siya. But the coverage is so good. Ito, dito natin siya matetest sa ilong. Alam nyo, itong ilong ko talaga. Oo, gawato ko. Hindi ko naman dine-deny. Pero itong gilid kasi ng ilong ko, alam nyo ba, nilalagyan ko pa to dati ng mga primer na pang eyeshadow. Kasi nagbibitak talaga siya. I think this is as dark as it gets. Kasi Eva, hindi naman siya ginamit pang ano eh. Oo, yun na nga yung sinasabi ko. Huwag na kayong Wait lang. Meron silang darker. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Meron silang 4W. Meron 4W? Ngayon ko lang nakita. Sa foundation. Tignan natin how dark this is. Shake. Ooh, promising. Hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-dark eh. Foundation talaga siya. Huwag akong makulit. Pero guys, I don't know if you guys see it. Pero yung effect nung ambient filter, complexion filter, I don't know kung nakikita siya sa camera, pero parang yung bounce back ng ilaw, it's peering through the layers of the foundation and concealer. Parang may built-in na ring light. Parang ang ganda ng skin. Something that you don't normally see sa drag makeup. Pero ako, I like it. Kasi ngayon, parang ang trend ngayon ng mga drag makeup, yung pababaihan. Dati kasi, di ba, pag drag makeup, talagang the bigger, the bolder, the bigger, the ano eh. Ngayon talaga, panitisan ng makeup. Talagang pa-no makeup look talaga yung mga bakla. Sino ba yung mga, ano ngayon? Cherry Colby, Plastic Tiara, Marina Summers, Jade Sog. Right. So, meron silang mga serum blushes. I don't know what this is. Pero since serum, so liquid sila. So parang feeling ko, if you're gonna use them in your makeup, dapat kasabay siya ng mga liquids. Soft Cheeks Serum Blush. Meron din siyang hyaluronic acid and it comes in 1, 2, 3, 6 colors. I think ang bagay sa shade ko, Dahlia. Alam mo, sa bridal makeup technique siya, no, na naglalagay kami na cream or liquid blush underneath the skin para mukhang natural yung skin na maganda. There. So liquid serum siya. Hindi siya masyado blendable kapag may makeup na. Siguro maganda tong gamitin pag diretso sa balat. Pero I think it doesn't build kapag, Ala! Ginulo niya yung... Pro tip, when you're gonna use this, maganda siyang gamitin straight to the skin. Hindi siya magandang i-build with foundation. Serum blush siya eh. So, let's set our makeup with the powders. They sent me all 4 shades. Beauty Base Complexion Blur Translucent Perfecting Powder. So, sa aking makeup kit, I am using several complexion blurs na pinaghahalo-halo ko. I have white from Ben Nye, 2 shades of translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and then meron pa akong banana powder from Kimchi. Let's see kung mapapalitan na ba sila ng Absidy. Excited ako dito. They have milk. Hindi ko alam kung puti siya dahil puti naman yung nakasulat na paint sa labas. Puti! It's like white. White. And then they have petal. Now, itong petal, meron ginagamit si Marina sa makeup niya, which is yung pink na Ben Nye. Ilalagay niya yung sa ilalim ng mata niya to brighten it up. It brightens up, lalo na si Marina kasi morena siya, diba? Yung mga bases niya is medyo dark. Ako, ang pang-highlight ko, puti talaga. Siya, ito, rose. So, they have a rose. And then they have honey and oat. Pero ang ganda ng set ng liquid. It's not drag, but it's pretty. So, gamitin natin silang lahat. Hindi masyado heavy yung aking mga contours. Okay, so gamitin natin yung mga brushes na meron sila dito. They have the tapered, dense, sculpting face brush. I'm gonna use this muna for the oat. Ay, tignan mo yung packaging. Ganda. Meron siyang... Now, this is what I like. The triangular sponge. This is so thoughtful. So, I'm using the oat dun sa mga areas that I wanted contoured. Or essentially, everywhere. Malalayer naman yan eh. And then, let's use the rose dun sa mga areas na medyo malapit sa gitna ng face to brighten it up. Gamitin natin this time yung triangular sponge for a more intense and concentrated application. Ang thoughtful nito, tignan nyo. Ang sarap kasing gumamit ng triangular sponge. Kasi, see that? Rekta siya sa ano eh. Lalo na dito sa gilid ng ilong. Rekta. Although the rose, it's not pinkish. Medyo mas white pa siya. And then this is what I like to do para mas snatch siya. Di ba ano to? May linyang ganyan. Ginagamit ko siya as guide para mas snatched yung ano. Nagada. Diba? Ginagawa ko siyang guide para pag nag-eye makeup ako mamaya. Normally kasi karamihan sa mga bakla, di ba? Nag-eye makeup muna sila bago sila mag-base. Ako, I like to do my base first. Kasi parang yung base ko, doon ko rin kasi binabasa yung proportions ng eyes ko. Depende sa pagkakaset ng ano ko. It registers as white. Petal. Petal pala yung pangalan ng shade. Maputi na siya. So, parang natatakot akong gamitin yung white. So, I think yung white later ko na lang siya ipang saset. There. Ang puti, gagi. Medyo nababother ako din sa petal. So, i-blend ko lang siya dito sa oat. Again, these are blurring powders, okay? They are not the final touch. Sa ibang makeup, di ba, parang pak-pak. Pagdating sa powders, yung talagang pinahampas lang nila sa mukha. Huwag ganun. I use several blurring powders, but they are not the finishing powders. Okay? They are just there to set lang yung color story that you ginawa underneath. Color story! Mamaya ko na nga gagamitin tong white. I'll add the white as a finishing touch. Pero ang ganda ng packaging. Color-wise, yes, it blurs, pero hindi siya nakaka-cover entirely. I don't know, baka makapalang yung ano ko, baka mamaya magsaset pa everything. Let's wait for the makeup to set. Bigyan natin sila ng chance. Let me just work on my eyes. Mag-eyes lang ako. Set the base for the last layer of the foundation. And then, let's move to the lips. I'll be right back. And there, I just did my eyes. In fairness, so far, so good. So now let's start now with the lips. First, let's use a lip balm, a lip primer for this. Now, normally, pagdating sa lips, I like nudes. Nudes. Yes, I love nudes. Naalala ko dati, pinagtatawanan ako ni si Marina ata yun. Si Marina yung mahilig sa mga ganyang bagay. Parang tinanong niya ako, anong color na maganda? Tapos parang sinasagot ko siya, nasabi ko lang parang nude. Sabi niya, nude! Ever since naging conscious na ako sa nude. Ang hirap maging Pilipino. For me, a nice nude lip should start with a nice dark brown lip liner. Now, Absidy has like all these colors. Ang comment ko lang sa kanila, no, is like, yung mga colors na nandun sa labas ng box, hindi nila kakulay yung nasa loob. Like, all of them are brown. Tulad din kanina, yung halimbawa, itong champagne, hindi niya kakulay. So, if you're gonna buy this at the mall, make sure to look for the swatches. So, I think this is like the darkest one. This is in Fawn. I think this is good kasi I love brown. So, this is in the shade Amore. So, it's giving... Oh my God, I feel like totoong makeup influencer yung mga gumamit. Swatch natin siya. Oh, it's nice. I love this. Automatic. Amor dyan ka na sa truffle. Tignan natin. Gusto ko kasi brown, like almost almost dark brown na sa I think truffle ako. And then this one. Almond. Oh, medyo mas orangey. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna keep a lot of the lip liner. Saka, swatch ko siya sa balat ko. Medyo creamy ha. I love it. Siyempre, alam naman nating tinurukan tong uso ko, diba? So, minsan kapag maalingas-ngas yung maalingas-ngas. Okay, so this one is pink. Not a big fan of pink, but yeah. Love pink. So I think we're gonna use truffle. I like this kasi inaano siya. You see? Social na ABCD, in fairness yung nirorolyo sa ilalim. Yung deroscas yung yung lip pencil. Alam mo kasi diba yung mga ibang lip pencil, yung kailangan pang tasahan, sobrang hassle. Ay minsan, pag tinatasahan ko yung ganun, tulad niyan. Syempre hindi ko na ilalabas, baka hindi din sila magpadala sa akin. Kasi halimbawa hindi lang ako, ang daming mga bakla ang nagpaturok na ng kanilang mga lips. Tapos kakaskasin mong ganun, minsan masasalubsob pa yung mo kasi may piraso ng kahoy. Oh my gosh, Pero yes, it happens to me. So we're gonna use the shade Truffle. Nilayan the Oh girl, it glides like butter. Bongga. Ang issue ko lang sa kanya, ito na ata yung pinaka-dark na meron sila. I love it. Overdraw natin para makita nyo. Sa laki ng uso ko, nag-overdraw pa ako eh. Tsaka hindi nagbe-bleed yung color. So, diretso na to dito sa akin. Next, dun naman tayo sa mga lipsticks. What are these? Glazing Serum Lip Stain. Lip stain. Okay. Baka kapareho niya yung serum stain nung, yung pang cheeks. Baka ito na yung pang lips na version niya. So, stain siya. Just as I thought, it can only be a topper. Meron sila nitong mga matte Cashmere Kiss matte lipstick. Meron sila mga individuals and it also comes in a 3-set Cashmere Kiss kineme. I love it. Pero tignan natin yung colors. French Rose, Cold Brew. So they have brown. Paris, Dusk, Pumpkin Spice. Since naglagay ako ng brown lips, let's try something na pinkish na brownish. Pinkish na brownish. Parang may alam pa ba kayong pinkish na brownish? Comment down below. Hi! Alam mo, normally, ayoko ng bullet lipsticks for drag. Kapag bullet, syempre hindi sila lasting. Hindi siya katulad ng mga talagang liquid lipstick na parang talagang kahit makipaglaplapan ka sa talagang nandun pa rin siya. Let's try Primrose. Or ito, French Kiss yung pangalan. Ang model nila ng kanilang lipstick, I see Miss Heart. Ito. I like this color. French Kiss. Ang ganda ng combination ng brown and pinkish brown. Ano siya? Or try natin tong Spanish latte. Let's see if we can get like a nice nude moment here. Parang this is more like it. Bigyan natin ng ito. I love it. Gorge. Ang ganda. Spanish latte yung pangalan. Oh, gorgeous. So the question is it transfer proof? Tingnan natin. Ngayon ang kagaya. Yak, may kanin. Charot. Okay, so apparently it's not transfer proof. So tignan mo, kapag isang halik lamang, wala. May transfer. The pigment is nice. The color is nice. Pero dahil bullet siya, I think kahit naman anong lipstick, kahit MAC or Maybelline or kahit anong bullet lipstick talaga, a lot of them are not transfer proof. So, but I love the color. I love how it feels in the lips kasi parang talagang sobrang light. Yung kanina na sinasabi ko, itong Glazing Serum Lip Stain. There's Maple, Lovebug, Taffy, and Merlot. Tignan na, iswatch natin kung ano yung tsura niya. Very light pink. Itong Maple, which is like more nude. Tignan natin. Okay. Oh, Maple. Tignan mo. Nakakalito kayo, talaga. Kasi dito sa box, parang siya, parang nude. Tapos nung ini-swatch ko siya, parang it's darker than I expected. Yun lang. So, like I said, if you're gonna buy these things, make sure to swatch them first to check it out. Kasi you can't trust the color on the outside. Ang layo ng kulay, ABCD. Medyo malayo siya. Ganyan. Okay. Okay, now we're talking. It leans towards the pink side. Kita nyo naman from the top and the bottom. This one barely has coverage. So, parang nabasa lang yung uso ko. Parang it's close to the lip oils talaga. So, I'll just put on a wig, do some quick retouching, and I'll give my final verdict about the ABCD makeup line. And this is the final look. What do we think? Look at that. I am staring at it. I was gagged kasi ang ganda. So what do we think about ABCD products? First, I think most of the products that they sent me are more on the skin perfecting side. And guys, look. Ito yung nilagay natin mula nung umpisa. All I did was just put on the rest of my highlight powders, blush, and my bronzer. What are my favorite things? First, I would say this is something that I want the queens would really highly recommend the queens to have is this complexion blur translucent perfecting powder in the shade Milk. Yung puti. It's really giving a natural finish. Like, my skin looks so good with it. This is my finisher. Hindi ko lang siya nakuhanan kanina. My second favorite thing is this Weightless Touch Concealer. This concealer is chef's kiss. It doesn't just do the job, it gives you a flawless finish. It's so creamy, it's so lightweight, and yet the coverage is there. Now, I also love their Ambient Filter Complexion Enhancer. Itong combination nila nung Weightless Touch Foundation, maganda siya for boy or day makeup. Also this, lip liners nila, really good. I love it. What are the products naman that I don't like? Honestly, wala. They did not overcommit naman into anything. They did not claim to be a full coverage foundation. They only said it's just a medium coverage foundation. Hindi ko naman hindi ko talaga bet, but it's really good. Siguro maganda rin din talaga ako. Price point wise, surprisingly, very affordable. So what do you guys think? If you like this video today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to try other makeup brands, any makeup challenges that you want me to try. Alam kong gusto nyong itry ko yung one shot, one makeup. Let's try to do that next time. Magpapa-check up muna ako kasi ayaw ni Precious. Gusto ni Precious magpa-check up muna ako bago ako mag-try ng kung ano-ano. So, yeah. So again, thank you so much for joining me in this video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Ganda. Ooh. Bang! Wala binaril. And it's a wrap!